Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is about me cleaning a water tank on my ute. So I hope this works because I've been trying to find information and hard to get a hold of. I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. Yeah, I've got a 50-litre water tank under here. I had it for a fair while. Always had a plastic taste, so I only used it for showering, mainly for showering and washing dishes and stuff. But because I'm going away to the Cape next year, I want to use it for drinking as well. So I've been trying to find ways of cleaning the tank and getting rid of the plastic taste. So I went on a caravan forum sites. I've been to a caravan place and I've seen what they've suggested to do. Some suggested red cordial, some suggested aqua tabs, and some suggested vinegar. And vinegar is a fairly natural product, and it does kill mould. There's no doubt there'll be some mould in there. So what I've done is I filled it up to here, so it was full, and then I used this, which is Coles double strength white vinegar, 8% activity. So I poured the whole bottle of 2 litres into there while I'm filling it, and then I went for a drive, half an hour drive and back, and then went for another drive, half an hour drive this morning, and then now I'm flushing it. So I had the hose running on here, just a dribble in there, and then I've got the tap on the other side, flushing it out like that. And it tastes quite good now, so I'm just going to wait for a little while longer and turn it off and fill it back up again, and then try it in a couple of days' time. So I'm hoping this works, but another guy I was talking to said it might be the connecting pipes, not the tank's fault, why it's tasting like plastic. So this is the first step, is to flush the tank and lines out and kill any mould and things that are building up in it. So that's my idea at the moment. It's a 50-litre tank, so when I go to the Cape, I'm going to either take 2 fuel on the back here, 1 fuel and 1 water, I'm not sure yet. I've only got a 75-litre tank in this car, which is a standard tank, and there is fuel places everywhere up the Cape. I've never had to have extra fuel anywhere I've been before, so my idea is to either take 1 or 2 fuel on the back and then a 50-litre tank. So I'll probably have 2. I'll probably have that and a 20-litre as a backup, so you never keep your eggs in one basket, of course. In case I get a crack in the tank, I'll have a 20 litres of drinking water spare, plus I'll have bottles of water. So if I have a 20-litre drum jerry on the back of fuel, that'll give me about 95 litres of fuel range, which I'm pretty sure I've been told is sufficient up there. You can get fuel just about everywhere. You pay for it, but when you're on holidays, you don't count your pennies as far as I'm concerned. Otherwise you would never go away. So yeah, that's my plan, is to do that and to see if this flushes out. So as I've said before, I've got the tap here for using, and under there, in that black box under there, I've got a shower in there. So at the moment, I'm going to test it. This tastes like good water at the moment. So I'm hoping that vinegar worked I bought another one. The tank I've got is from Goff's Plastics in Townsville. It was a food grade water tank, and it came as a kit with food grade pipes and everything. But so a guy told me that it's probably the pipes that are doing it and not the water tank itself. So time will tell to see what happens with it and what alternatives I have to fix that. But I know I can never get the full 50 litres out of this tank because of the angle it's on. But I can go to an angle that I can get it all out in the end. So that's probably what I'll do. When I drain this one here, I can then fill it up out of that. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, is cleaning the tank. And the hoses I'm using from the tap over here through the garden bed in here is considered a freshwater drinking hose from one of the caravan places. So it's in two pieces. There's a join just down there. And I had this as an offcut off my caravan, so it should be enough to get me out of any situation. And so it is food grade. Everything's food grade I'm using, except that little poly pipe that's going in there. I mean, that's water pipe, and that should be food grade as well. That's a fill up from here, and the breather is around the back, around there. That's the breathing pipe. So as I said, hopefully this is going to work. Time will tell over a few days, a week or two, and then I'll get back to you on that. Or it's worked. Okay, well, I'm going to be doing another taste test. It's a couple of days after the last one. Just get it. Clarity is good. It's acceptable. It tastes better when it's colder, I suppose. But yeah, I could drink that. I'm quite pleased with the result of that. I'm going camping on the weekend and I'm going to test it again then. Yeah, that's quite acceptable. Yeah, well, I've been drinking the water all weekend. You can drink it. It's good water, but it has a slightly, very slightly earthy taste. Don't know whether that's the residue of the vinegar, but I'm going to flush it out again when I get home and try it again. But it's better than what it was, a lot better than what it was. So it's drinkable, it's just got that slightly. I can't put my finger on it. It's very slight. It's probably not noticeable, but yeah, I would consider it to call it earthy taste. But it's very slight. So I'm happy with the result out of that tank now. But I'm going to keep going over the next few months and see if it changes. But I'm going to flush it again. But I like it. Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up for what I've done. I think it's the right approach. It certainly helped. Yeah, the water in this tank, after 2 weeks, tasted really bad. It got really earthy, so I had to drain the tank. I'm going to flush it again, but Yeah, I'm not sure. If I can't get it right, I might even remove the tank out of the ute to try and lighten the ute a little bit. Yeah. The only reason I put it in there years ago was because other YouTubers said you needed 50 litres of water or more water, so I've found I don't need that much for what I do. So I may even remove it and all the pipes and everything to save a bit of weight, and maybe I can even put a trundle drawer in there eventually. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to fill it up again and taste it, but the earthy taste wasn't plastic anymore, it's earthy, so I'm not sure about it. Yeah. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.